Sick and tired of flat roofs and balconies leaking from outdated materials that crack and break down quickly? You need a long-lasting, hammer-proof solution that's guaranteed to work. Lava 20 is here to solve that problem with a 25-year warranty. Lava 20 is a paint-on, rubber-like membrane that's fast, easy to apply, and offers unrivaled durability for both new builds and refurbishments. It bonds to almost all surfaces, including concrete, metals, timber, torch-down bitumen, asphalt, fiberglass, and most existing coatings. With benefits like quick drying, superior durability, and long-lasting protection, Lava 20 is the world's leading waterproofing solution, trusted by thousands of contractors globally. Plus, with certifications like BBA, CE, and Miami-Dade, you can be confident that Lava 20 will keep your property secure. Contact us today and protect your property with Lava 20.